Good day everyone, today we are going to show you the relationship between water temperature and density by conducting a super fun experiment, which is a hot and cold water experiment.
Here are the materials needed for this experiment: red and blue food coloring, hot and cold water, glass cup, and plastic slides. Alright, let's start. Enjoy the experiment.
Now, let us explain the experiment more deeply. First of all, the hot water is less than compared with the cold water. Hot water and cold water will not mix together when the hot water is placed on the top, because cold water has the higher density and gravity is pulling it vertical down. On the other hand, cold water is more dense, so cold water and hot water will mix together when the cold water is placed on the top. This is because its density is being higher than the hot water.
What is density? Density is the word we use to describe how much space an object or substance takes up. In other words, its volume, in relation to the amount of matter in that object or substance, also called its mass.
Here are some examples of science in our daily life. Have you ever wondered why the top floors of a multi-story building feel warmer than the bottom floors or the basement? This is because hot air is less dense than cooler air, and so hot air rises and makes the upper floors warmer than the lower ones.
Next, do you know why oil always floats on water? Oil is also less dense than water, so it floats. Surprisingly, the difference in density also exists between hot and cold water, which is the experiment we conducted today.
Lastly, in conclusion, the experiment showed that as the temperature of water decreases, the density will increase. Thus, understanding the temperature-density correlation is important in various scientific fields and industry. The findings contribute to our knowledge of liquid behavior and have the practical application.
Thank you for your attention. Hope you enjoy our video.